Welcome to the vibrant city of Alpharetta, where projects are as lively as a dance floor. North Point Dumpsters is here to add some pizzazz to your waste management game. Let's talk trash with a dash of class, shall we? Introducing the coolest cats in town, North Point Dumpsters. We're not just in the business of dumpsters, we're here to make your projects groove with our dumpster rental Alpharetta, Georgia service. Ready to join the dumpster disco? Dial the party hotline at 470-983-1028 or catch the beats at www.northpointdumpsters.com. North Point Dumpsters knows waste disposal should be as fun as a Friday night out. Our dumpsters, like your favorite dance moves, come in all sizes, ensuring your project hits all the right notes. We're not just a service, we're the party planners of waste management, keeping Alpharetta's projects in full swing. As the sun sets and the city lights up, North Point Dumpsters keeps the fun alive in dumpster rental Alpharetta, Georgia. With a playlist of satisfied customers, our reputation for being the life of the party is spreading like confetti. Get ready to throw your waste management worries away by calling the Groove Masters at 470-983-1028 or surfing the virtual dance floor at www.northpointdumpsters.com. North Point Dumpsters is where waste management meets the boogie, turning your projects into a celebration.